Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. The Watch Duty app is a community-driven platform designed to provide real-time information about wildfires and emergencies. It is particularly popular in areas prone to wildfires, such as California. Here are some key features and aspects of the app. Real-time updates. Get live updates on wildfires, including their location, spread, and containment status. Community alerts. Receive notifications from verified sources, ensuring the information is accurate and timely. Interactive map. View an interactive map showing the locations of active fires and emergency zones. User-friendly interface. The app is easy to navigate, making it accessible for users of all ages. Available on multiple devices, the app can be used on Android devices, iPhones, and PCs. Who benefits? Residents in fire-prone areas. Stay updated on potential threats. Emergency responders. Coordinate and share information effectively. Travelers. Avoid danger zones while traveling. Anyone concerned about fire safety? Stay informed about wildfire activity in real time. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.